Of all the possible things that one could do with their time, why do some people choose to make films? It is a lot of hard work to create a film, and even after it's done, there is no guarantee that people will like it. Yet, countless people from all walks of life are drawn to filmmaking. So what draws people to filmmaking?
Yeah, I think the single most factor that draws me into the filmmaking is the challenging part. That every day, constantly, you need to keep yourself on. That draws me into the filmmaking.
Filmmaking is a place where you can manipulate or play with the minds of so many people with your imagination, with your films. So that's my main thing for coming into the films.
I love being with people. I love finding out about how they think, how they feel, what motivates them to do things. That's what draws me to being a documentary filmmaker, and that's what I enjoy the most.
The inner desire to make something, to show to the public, opine myself, and give entertainment to the public.
I love medicine, but I think it's more of a passion that is there. I think I'm more passionate about filmmaking. You know, it's something that it makes a meaning to my life. That's what I think, at least.
I love sharing stuff with people, and if I'm able to do it in an entertaining and creative way, there's nothing like it.
Everybody has their own imaginative world. Filmmaking is the only way to show our imaginations to the real world.
Odds of success is pretty less. It's almost, you just can count it on your fingers.
But yes, there is not even a single day that I felt that this was not the job I wanted to do.
Yeah, it does sometimes, make you think whether the decision that to be in filmmaking, whether it's going to be the right one or the wrong one. But then some decisions you really can't say anything with your mind. You go by your heart. So in those times, especially in tough times, you got to listen to your heart, and that's what I do.
Different people are drawn to filmmaking for different reasons. Be it the urge to express oneself, or the zeal for creating something, or pursuit of fame, or glamour, or money, or even the sheer sensuality of it. However, what seems to be common to all filmmakers is their passion for filmmaking. A passion that almost borders on what seems to be a compulsion from within.